Hi guys, welcome to channel Phonefix. I'm Baby. A lot of friends asked me to make a video about our warehouse. Actually, our warehouse is located next to our office here. This side is our warehouse. We have two storage areas for storing our product, and right, the small one is on the left. This is the first warehouse. Have a look. Usually we store our programmer and others heating platform and the screwdrivers and other items in this warehouse. All the item is classified according to a different storage, so we can easily find different items. We have stored a lot of small items on this warehouse. Besides, it also serves as a storage at the packing station. Besides, we also have another warehouse on the right. This one is the bigger warehouse. We have stored a lot of soldering stations, microscope, and other items in this warehouse. Here's a new arrived microscope head. It's a Chinocuno microscope head. We can install the industrial camera here. It comes with a different accessories. This is adapter and the rubber ring, and also comes with the eye lens.